Greatest News of the World. Joining us from Los Angeles, radio talk show host Leslie Marshall and former Democratic Congressman from Ohio, Dennis Kucinich. Mr. Kucinich, you ran for president. You remember that? When you were running for president, I have a little button. Remember that?
I ran on a platform that opposed the war in Iraq.
All right, you opposed the Revolutionary War. Okay. So say you were elected.
The war in Iraq was wrong.
No, I said the Revolutionary War.
Bill, don't be ridiculous. You know, I'm an American. I stand for America's interests. And this stuff in Russia,
it's a little jest.
You have to ask what's right for America.
It's a little jest, okay? So calm down.
Okay.
So say you were elected president, all right? And you're in the exact same position that Barack Obama's in right now. Putin rolls into the Crimea, violating international law. What do you do?
What I do is not have USAID and the National Endowment for Democracy working with U.S. taxpayers' money to knock off an elected government in Ukraine, which is what they did. I wouldn't try to force the people of Ukraine into a deal with NATO against their interest or into a deal with the European Union, which is against their economic interest.
So it's the USA's fault that Putin rolled in? We made him do it?
You have to... Bill O'Reilly, if you don't believe in cause and effect, I don't know what I can do for you.
All right, I'm just asking you, is it America's fault? Did America provoke Putin to roll into the Crimea, in your opinion?
Well, you have to look at what happened. The U.S. has been involved covertly and behind the scenes with the CIA, with the National Endowment for Democracy, and USAID to stir up trouble in Ukraine.
Right.
Now you've got neo-Nazis that are in control.
So the CIA went door to door in Kiev, forcing people into the streets, demonstrating against
this is a serious issue. You know,
it's a serious issue.
What's happening.
But I don't think I think from what I'm hearing, but I want to get to Leslie, but I'll come back. You can think about it. From what I'm hearing, you're blaming the USA for subverting Ukraine in the first place, thereby giving Putin a pass to go in and invade. That's what I'm hearing, but I'll get back to you.